Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to transform your workspace into a haven of creativity and productivity? So many of us are working from home these days, but sometimes our home offices don't spark quite the joy we're looking for, do they? If your workspace feels cluttered, uninspiring, or just plain blah, then this video is for you. I'm thrilled to share my best tips for creating a home office that's not only organized and functional, but also cozy, stylish, and deeply personal. We'll declutter, organize, and add those special touches that make your heart sing. Let's get started. Before we even think about furniture or decor, we need to choose the perfect spot for your home office. Remember, this space should inspire feelings of peace and joy, so listen closely to your intuition. Do you feel energized by natural light? Then set up your workspace near a window. Do you thrive in a quiet environment? Perhaps a cozy corner in your bedroom would be ideal. Avoid areas with a lot of foot traffic or distractions. You want to be able to focus and let your creativity flow without interruption. Trust me, your productivity will thank you. Once you've found the perfect spot, take a moment to cleanse the energy of the space. A simple way to do this is by opening the windows to let in fresh air and natural light. You can also try diffusing essential oils like lavender or peppermint to create a calming and focused atmosphere. Now take a deep breath and feel the positive energy flowing into your new workspace. Now that we've found the perfect spot for your home office, let's talk about furniture. And no, we're not just talking about any furniture. We're talking about furniture that sparks joy and supports your well-being. First things first, the desk. Choose a desk that is the right height for you and provides ample workspace. Does a spacious wooden desk with drawers for storage spark joy? Or does a sleek, minimalist desk with clean lines better suit your style? Remember, your desk should be a reflection of your personality and inspire you to do your best work. Next, let's find you a chair that feels like a warm hug. Ergonomics are essential here. Look for a chair that provides proper lumbar support and allows you to sit comfortably for longer periods. Don't hesitate to invest in a high-quality chair. Your back will thank you later. Once you've found the perfect desk and chair, arrange them in a way that feels balanced and harmonious. Now that we've set up our desk and chair, let's move on to lighting. Lighting plays such a crucial role in creating a productive and inspiring workspace. Natural light is always best, so try to position your desk near a window if possible. Sunlight not only boosts our mood but also reduces eye strain. If natural light is limited, don't worry. We can create a warm and inviting ambiance with artificial lighting. I recommend using a combination of ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting. Ambient lighting illuminates the entire room, while task lighting provides focused light for specific tasks like reading or writing. Accent lighting can be used to highlight artwork, plants, or other decorative elements in your office. Remember, the goal is to create a well-lit space that feels both energizing and calming. Chapter 4. Taming the Paper Tigers. Organizing for a clutter-free mind. A tidy space leads to a tidy mind. Now let's dive into the heart of the KonMari method trademark and bring order to your home office. Remember, we only want to surround ourselves with items that spark joy and support our work. Take a look around your workspace. Do you see piles of paper, tangled cords, or miscellaneous clutter? It's time to tidy. Start by gathering all of your office supplies and sorting through them one by one. Hold each item in your hands and ask yourself, does this spark joy? Does it serve a purpose in my work life? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go with gratitude. For the items you choose to keep, find a designated space for everything. Use trays, drawer dividers, and stylish storage boxes to keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. Remember, a clutter-free workspace promotes a sense of calm and allows you to focus on what matters most: your work. Chapter 5. Infusing personality. Decorating your home office with joy. Your office should feel inspiring and personal. This is your sanctuary, your creative haven. Let's infuse it with your unique style and personality. Start by adding pops of color that bring you joy. Perhaps a vibrant piece of artwork, a colorful rug, or even a cheerful bouquet of flowers. Plants are also wonderful additions to any workspace. Not only do they purify the air, but they also bring a sense of tranquility and life to the room. Don't forget to personalize your space with meaningful items that spark joy. Family photos, travel souvenirs, or inspiring quotes can make your office feel more welcoming and uniquely you. Remember, Decorating your home office is an opportunity to surround yourself with beauty, positivity, and inspiration. Let your creativity flow and have fun with it. Chapter 6. Working smarter, not harder, productivity tools and apps. A cozy office is only effective if it helps you stay productive. In this digital age, there are countless tools and apps designed to streamline your workflow and maximize your efficiency. First and foremost, make sure you have a reliable task management system. This could be as simple as a pen and paper to-do list or a digital app like Trello or Asana. Having a centralized location to track your tasks and deadlines can work wonders for your productivity. Next, let's talk about communication. If you frequently collaborate with others, consider using tools like Slack or Zoom for seamless communication and video conferencing. And don't forget about time management. The Pomodoro technique, where you work in focused 25-minute intervals, is a fantastic way to boost productivity and prevent burnout. Remember, the key is to find tools and apps that integrate seamlessly into your workflow and support your unique work style. Chapter 7. The finishing touches, maintaining your Zen workspace. Congratulations! Your home office is now a haven of creativity, productivity, and joy. But our tidying journey doesn't end here. Just like any space in our homes, our workspaces require regular maintenance to stay tidy and inspiring. Set aside a few minutes each day to clear your desk, file away papers, and put away any stray items. This small act of tidying can make a world of difference in maintaining a sense of calm and order. And remember, tidying is not a chore. It's an opportunity to show gratitude for the space that supports your work and creativity. As you organize and care for your home office, you'll find that it becomes a reflection of your aspirations and a source of joy in your daily life. Wow, look at this transformation. We've taken your home office from cluttered and chaotic to cozy and inspiring, a space that truly sparks joy. Remember, a tidy workspace is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that supports your well-being, productivity, and creativity. Now it's your turn. Try these tips at home and let me know how they worked for you in the comments. Did you find a desk that sparks joy? Did you discover a new productivity app? I can't wait to hear about your tidying journey. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed the tips. Subscribe for more DIY home hacks. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest creative projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.